Meet me where the evening breeze still knows our names.
I'll be waiting,
just like always. Whoa. The day's been long, the sun hangs low, the ocean whispers soft and slow. Leave the worries where they are, come back home beneath the stars.
the coffee's warm, the lights are low, the breeze begins its gentle flow. Every evening feels brand new when I can spend it here with you.
I'll bring the laughter, you bring the smile. Let's forget the world a while.
No rushing hearts, no crowded streets, just simple love where silence speaks.
The flowers dance, the palms sway too, even the moon smiles down on you.
Every dream we've carried through feels complete when I'm with you.
Leave tomorrow for tomorrow. Tonight belongs to us.
Meet me on the veranda
Where the ocean meets the sky.
hold my hand, don't say a word.
Love is speaking loud tonight.
Meet me on the veranda
Where forever feels so near. One more sunset, one more song. Right here where love belongs. Hey. Remember when we first came here, with borrowed dreams and borrowed chairs.
Now the years have gently shown love can turn a house into a home.
Every breeze recalls your name.